Hey fitness fam, welcome back to Diet and Exercise. Today's video is where we'll be discussing how you can boost your metabolism by eating more and burning more. For many of us, losing weight and maintaining a healthy physique can feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you that increasing your metabolism can help you burn more calories, even while you're at rest? It sounds simple, but it's a strategy many overlook. Instead of starving yourself or cutting back dramatically on calories, you can actually fuel your body in a way that accelerates your metabolism and helps you shed fat more efficiently. Your metabolism is the process through which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. It involves a series of chemical reactions that occur in your cells, and it affects how your body uses calories. By making certain changes to your eating habits and lifestyle, you can speed up this process, giving your body the boost it needs to burn more calories and increase fat loss. Throughout this video, we'll share practical strategies and tips to help you boost your metabolism naturally, eat more, and burn more calories. Let's dive into it. What is metabolism? Before we dive into boosting metabolism, let's first understand what metabolism is. At its core, metabolism refers to all the chemical processes that occur in your body to maintain life. These processes include breaking down food for energy, repairing cells, and maintaining body functions like breathing and digestion. Your basal metabolic rate is the number of calories your body needs to perform these basic functions while at rest. Metabolism also includes the thermic effect of food, which is the energy your body uses to digest and absorb food. Eat more protein to boost metabolism. One of the most effective ways to boost your metabolism is by eating more protein. Protein is an essential macronutrient that your body needs for growth, repair, and maintenance. However, it also plays a significant role in boosting metabolism. When you eat protein, your body has to work harder to digest it compared to fats or carbohydrates. This is known as the thermic effect of food, TEF, and it results in an increase in calorie expenditure. Protein-rich foods require more energy to break down, helping to elevate your metabolism and burn more calories. Don't skip meals, eat more frequently. One of the biggest misconceptions in the fitness world is that skipping meals will help you lose weight. In reality, skipping meals can slow down your metabolism, making it harder for you to burn calories efficiently. Eating more frequently throughout the day can actually help to boost your metabolism by preventing it from going into starvation mode. When you skip meals, your body may reduce its calorie burning rate to conserve energy. Eating small, balanced meals every 3 to 4 hours keeps your metabolism running smoothly and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. This ensures your body has a consistent supply of fuel, which also helps control cravings and prevent overeating later on. So instead of skipping meals, aim to spread your calorie intake evenly throughout the day to keep your metabolism active and avoid unnecessary hunger. Your body will appreciate the constant source of energy, and your metabolism will thank you for it. Incorporate strength training. If you want to boost your metabolism, strength training is one of the most effective ways to do so. Lifting weights or engaging in body weight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges can increase muscle mass. And the more muscle you have, the higher your metabolic rate. This is because muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest. The increase in metabolism from strength training isn't just temporary. It can last for hours after you finished your workout. This is called the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, where your body continues to burn more calories while it recovers. Whether you're lifting heavy weights or doing body weight exercises, strength training is a proven way to increase your overall calorie expenditure. If you're new to strength training, start with lighter weights and gradually increase the intensity as you gain strength. The more muscle you build, the more calories you'll burn, even when you're not actively working out. High-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is another fantastic way to boost your metabolism. This type of workout involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest or lower-intensity activity. HIIT has been shown to increase calorie burn during and after exercise, helping you burn more fat in less time. The high intensity of HIIT forces your body to work harder, which increases the amount of energy you burn during and after the workout. This is known as the afterburn effect. Studies Studies have shown that HIIT can increase your metabolic rate for up to 24 hours after a workout, making it a time-efficient way to ramp up your calorie expenditure. You can incorporate exercises like jumping jacks, sprints, or burpees into a HIIT routine, alternating between intense activity and rest. Not only will you increase your metabolism, but you'll also improve cardiovascular health and endurance, making HIIT a great all-around fitness strategy. Drink more water. It may surprise you to learn that staying hydrated plays a significant role in boosting your metabolism. Drinking water can temporarily increase the number of calories your body burns. This phenomenon, known as water-induced thermogenesis, happens when you drink cold water, as your body uses energy to warm the water to body temperature. Studies have shown that drinking 500 milliliters, about 17 ounces, of water can increase metabolic rate by up to 30% for about 30 to 40 minutes. Staying hydrated also helps optimize other bodily functions, such as digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, water can help with appetite control by making you feel fuller, thus preventing overeating. To ensure you're maximizing your metabolism, aim to drink water consistently throughout the day. If you struggle with plain water, you can add a slice of lemon or cucumber to make it more enjoyable. Get enough sleep. Sleep is often overlooked when it comes to boosting metabolism, but it plays a crucial role in regulating hormones that control hunger and metabolism. Lack of sleep can disrupt the balance of hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which regulate hunger and satiety. When you don't get enough sleep, your body may feel hungrier and crave high-calorie foods, making it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, inadequate sleep can slow down your metabolism, leading to weight gain and difficulty burning fat. On the other hand, getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night can help regulate hormones, optimize metabolic functions, and support muscle recovery after workouts. Proper rest is essential for muscle growth, fat loss, and overall health. So prioritize sleep if you want to see lasting improvements in your metabolism and body composition. The role of caffeine in boosting metabolism. Many people turn to caffeine for a quick energy boost, but it can also be a powerful tool for increasing metabolism. Caffeine is a well-known stimulant that can increase your heart rate and boost your energy levels. But did you know that it can also help you burn more calories? Studies have shown that caffeine can temporarily raise your metabolic rate by up to 11%, helping you burn more fat during the day. Caffeine works by stimulating the central nervous system and increasing the release of adrenaline, which in turn helps to break down fat and convert it into usable energy. Eat more fiber. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet is another way to boost your metabolism and improve digestion. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, but it also has a metabolic boosting effect. Foods high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, require more energy to digest, which helps increase calorie expenditure. Additionally, fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing the energy crashes that can lead to overeating or poor food choices. Fiber also promotes satiety, helping you feel full longer and preventing unnecessary snacking. Aim to consume a variety of high-fiber foods throughout the day to keep your metabolism running efficiently and support overall health. Conclusion: small changes for big results. To wrap things up, boosting your metabolism is about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that support fat burning and energy expenditure. By eating more protein, incorporating strength training, and HIIT, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and making strategic food choices, you can rev up your metabolism and start burning more calories throughout the day. Remember, the key to a fasting metabolism is consistency. It may take time to see significant changes, but by making these adjustments, you'll start to feel and look your best. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next video.